This is where dreams are born. Million miles away, but it still feels like home in the land of
Early start this morning with the boys. I think alarm's been off at 3. Launched the boat just before 5. Now we're heading out, hopefully, fingers crossed, for the Topwater Kingy. We've got the boys here from Naki. Hopefully, first Kingies for them. So it should be good. We'll keep you guys posted, hitting the barrier. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Oh, are ready? They did? Yep. Yep, Kingy.
First cast. Small one, eh? Can I try saying with this one or what? Yeah.
I think you're gonna take this rod.
Yeah, I'm going to. That's it.
Kawa.
Kawa? That's right, Kawa is fine.
Yep. Oh, now this is Kingy. Yeah. Did we jump, bro?
Yeah, I'm on.
Hold on, bro. Hold fucking on.
Yeah, there's more. There's
heaps down there.
Oh,
it's beautiful. Oh yeah, it's easy to do. Hold on, bro. Hold on.
No, hold it. It's just me that someone is holding.
Just watch the.
Oh, hold on. Yeah. Yeah. You hold them. You hold them.
Yeah. Now.
Is that legal?
Yeah. Now. I could just hit the water and he's gone.
Let's get the net. Yeah. Sorry guys, you need to explain. Must I get the net?
Yeah, boys. Okay, now just be careful when you come into the barrel. Oh, he's off.
That's alright. I just hit the net, my bro.
Fuck yeah, boy! Oh, harder. Yeah.
Yes, we go.
Hold on, boy. Yeah, Liam, go, of course. Don't worry, you just worry about you.
Can you see them?
Oh yeah. Hold on, go close. About you.
Can you see them?
Oh yeah. Hold on.
What is that?
No, boys. You just hold on, boy. Yeah, they're on you, Liam. They're on you. Yeah, there's it. Keep going. They're on you.
What's the stuff here?
Hold it off the boat. Keep it that way. Yeah, you just hold it. Just let him do his thing there. Yeah.
That's all for Liam.
Once Liam's in, I'll grab him. Liam, go out.
Get the net with this.
No, because the hooks get tangled in it.
The same one, eh?
No. They all look the same, the
I
kingfish.
think they're all the same size.
Same size, yeah.
They all look the same looking fish. There's more somewhere.
Yeah, they're all over.
How do you want it?
Uh,
Control.
Did we bring a rag to put over its eyes?
Wait, yeah. Is it?
Open the bell on. Open the bell on. Open the Yeah.
Is that legal then?
Give me the rag. Yeah.
Liam, give me yours along, so I'm going first.
Wait, you need to get a picture.
Now I'm touching that.
They strong, Amigo.
And these ones are still small, bro.
Mention a big one.
Imagine like a...
I'm surprised they priced it on the jet ski. That was allowed to help me in the ocean, what they give me at the moment. Let me show it. Are you sure? Oh, it's already such.
No, it's not. It's just
Here's a puppy.
Put your... What is that?
Nah, it's not.
No.
Let him go, yeah?
Yeah. We'll take a picture with it.
In the land of
Thank you to Just Fishing Charters.
Just keep the line away from the boat. Otherwise you're gonna get cut off. Liam,
Yeah.
just need your assistance here, bro.
Yes, almost up.
Just keep him there, just keep him there. No higher.
Yeah. How's it keeping there?
Yeah, just don't reel anymore.
Bigger one. Or fatter one.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's definitely legal if you want to take it.
Yeah, I'll get them.
Yeah. I'll just chuck this. Just drop him. I'll just to keep
So,
keep
yeah.
the line. I'll just over his eyes. Yep, they're here. Yep, keep casting. Yeah.
Nice, my dog. Nice.
Sit.
Yo.
Yep.
I definitely can see.
As you are, stay. Yeah. Oh, that's a nice one. Take your time. You're gonna go. Yeah, hold on. Let me just get my shit out.
What's that? 3. 3 have some legs, yeah? What's that? You have ear pads, what's that?
Need
Get it away from the back. Open the bell up.
No. Nice one, Big D.
Good. You gotta walk back. Take a foot. Where's that pat? Are they still here, mate?
Get a picture first. They just fucking smashed it.
Which way were we? You guys on that side now?
How did you manage that thing?
Just broke, bro.
Well, at the leader.
Like,
Oh, so you lost your ticket?
yeah, lost the stick bag.
You lost it?
Yeah.
Oh, what the?
Fuck!
That was right here too.
That was a fucking monster outfit.
Hey?
I fucking reaching and drag. But there's still no behind the boat.
Yep. Oh, fuck. I'm over here.
Oh, whoa! Grrr!
What?
Shark!
Ah.
Oh, so I got bitten off with
Hey? On Mixie? Big pack, big pack, big pack, big pack. What the?
These are big ones, bro.
Yeah?
These are the fucking big ones from that other spot.
Yeah. Oh, yep. Yep, set it. Nice. Oh, drop that. Oh, sorry, guys. They here, guys? Yeah. No, they're not. It's a big pack again.
What happened there then with my one? Huh?
Probably only just hooked.
Yeah.
Yep, that on me again. Oh.
Liam's hooked up on the sticky. Come on, boy. That's a good one. Hold on, boy. Oh, getting railed. He's getting railed. Let's go, man. That's a really good Mixie.
I'm trying to put it down.
Wait.
Can you
Can you need me to drive?
no, there's handles going back and forth.
Yeah, just lock it in. Just put that one at the back.
Huh? That's going back and forth.
Yeah, just don't reel backwards. Don't reel backwards. It's just probably just loose. Yeah. That was a boomper.
Is the best one here?
It's gonna be a good one. At least 15, I say.
15 pounds.
Kilo. This guy. Watch out. Just hold on. Let me help you. Yeah, wind the handle forward. Yeah, go. Yeah, just leave yours out. Just leave yours out. Oh, wait, I'm gonna drive.
Yeah.
Just hold on.
Do you need the net, Liam?
Don't loosen it, drive.
Don't say, oh yeah, he's right there. Do we need the net?
No, it should be right. Got motion in the ocean. Oh yeah, that's a nice one, boys. Hey. Oh yes. Yeah. Nice. He smoked that. Yeah. Let's go.
Now, are we gonna net that?
Yep, nice end. Oh, double. Nice boys. You good, Zane?
Yeah, bro.
Hey? You gonna bring him around, Miguel?
Did you lose him?
Keep coming, keep coming.
Oh, it's a nice one.
Come right in. Snap. On the jig. Must be a nice one. Yeah, snap off the day. He means he told you when you get the water today. Do you want the net or just lift the net? Nice boy. Thank you. On the slow pitchy. Thank you for Miguel. Can I hold up for the camera? Nice one on the jig. No. So the boys are about to cook lunch. Caught a few small fish. Nothing exciting, but it's fishing in the camera. It's fish nonetheless. So yeah, so we got a couple of pannies, nothing massive, but the boys are hungry, so just came into this beautiful bay. Just gonna whack the fillets of the fish, standard, make some wraps, and then go for a swim. Holy bro. So Mixie just got the snapper and he was retrieving the soft bait full speed and we thought it was a kawai, and this thing came from the surf and ate it. What the hell? Open the bell up. I saw this thing coming up. I was like, what? That's insane. Tosh eating right on the sand. That's nuts, man. Yep. Now Liam's like, okay, no one wants to eat now. Maybe that was the only big male and we caught him. All the babies. That is amazing. This is like some Australian.
That's what mainland and NATO, CA, I mean, like the snappers are like.
Oh, you're on?
Wait, nope,
You on?
had a bite.
Oh, what? And the
recording.
GoPro's on. Yeah, it's a snapper. What is going on?
Small.
You're literally anchored in a bay catching snapper. Bigger ones than we were catching around the island.
Okay, there's a keeper. That is.
You want to keep it? If it is, then they're still there. They're literally still there. No, I mean, can you?
So we've got Liam on the job. Little panny from before. Liam's gonna
Not one that.
whack the fillets off and then cook time. No pressure, bro.
Yeah, I know.
But how good is this? This guy Die Hard still going. Not resting. Beautiful, Great Barrier. Fishing wasn't the best, but a few kingies in the morning, so not complaining. Are you doing this, Aj?
They're not bad. Not too bad. Leave some meat on the bone, on the face. On the smoke, right?
That's the one, mate. Yeah, so we'll just get these. Get these fillets off and then check back in once it's in the pan. Boys are on. Bit of spice. Looking good. Ui. Japanese store. Come on, zoom in, zoom in. Have a look at that goodness, man. Let's just make a bit of space there. Like that. There we go, boys.
We on. Let's go.
I can tell you want me. Turn it up, turn it up. I can show you how. Take it out, take it out. I can tell you want me. Turn it up, turn it up. I can show you how. Take it out, take it out. Tell you want me. Tell you want me. Tell you want me. Tell you. I can tell you want me. Turn it up, turn it up. I can show you how. Take it out, take it out. I can tell you want me. Turn it up, turn it up. I can show you how. Take it out, take it out. I can tell you want me. Turn it up, turn it up. I can show you how. Take it out, take it out. I can tell you want me.
Tiny.
There's only like one big.
What you get, bro? Show us your sacks.
See my sack?
Oh, mate. Then got some quinoas. Good effort, bro.
Hey?
Good effort. Oh, there's one nice one in there.
Yeah.
Nice, mates. The provider. Yeah. Boys are done having lunch, having a swim. Now we're gonna start making our way back, and then see if we can see anything on the way home. We'll let you guys know. Keep you guys posted. Good.
Good.
Let's go.